Before selecting or handling your personal protective equipment, you always perform hand hygiene. For the purpose of this, I'm going to demonstrate an alcohol-based hand rub. You want to make sure that you cover the back of your hands, between your fingers, around your thumbs. Don't forget the cuticles and the wrists. I am now ready to select my medical grade mask. When I select my mask, I check the elastics, I check for any holes or tears, and the nose piece must always be at the top. Over my ears, and I can adjust my mask and pinch in my nose piece. If I have to touch the mask again, we always do it with clean hands, so we'd perform hand hygiene again. I'm now going to select my face shield. Again, hand hygiene. If I need to readjust or touch my PPE, I must always perform hand hygiene once again. We're now going to take off, so doff our personal protective equipment, our PPE. So I would perform hand hygiene again. Now I'm going to grab the sides of the face shield and I'm going to carefully remove it away from my face. You always avoid touching the front and set aside for cleaning. I would then perform hand hygiene again. Now I'm going to remove my mask. So I'm going to put my fingers in behind my ears and I'm going to remove away from my face gently and dispose my single-use disposable mask into the garbage. Perform hand hygiene again. These steps are for cleaning a reusable face shield. So we'll take it apart and we place it in warm soapy water, washing the inside of the frame as well as the face shield. And the other side. We then remove it from the warm soapy water and place it into the rinse water. Remove and place on a clean, dry surface. And drying it. And the other side. The frame is then taken from the warm soapy water, placed into the rinse water, and also placed on the clean surface, wiping with a clean cloth. This can now be left to air dry.